Welcome back to the channel. My name is Kunle. Today I made 2 day trades. These day trades were based on Bitcoin. It wasn't actually Bitcoin because I've never traded Bitcoin, but it was 2 companies that are Bitcoin miners, Bitcoin mining companies. So I've noticed over the last several weeks that every time that Bitcoin prices went up, these 2 stocks also went up, but then they had an exaggerated price movement compared to Bitcoin. So when I saw that Bitcoin was dropping, the price of Bitcoin was dropping today, I thought there might be a trade here. I also looked at the overall market, and I saw that the overall market was down as well. So now we have 2 things in alignment. Bitcoin is down, overall market is down. And the more things you have in alignment, the more likely the trade is going to work. So I decided to go short on the 2 Bitcoin mining companies, MARA and RIOT. So let's look at the chart of RIOT, because I think the chart on RIOT is a lot smoother, a lot cleaner. But they had very similar price action. They basically did the same thing. So I went short in the 56 area just before the market opened. The idea behind this trade was I drew this line of resistance. This is a macro line of resistance which corresponds to about 60.59. And the idea was, if this stock started to recover when the market opened, I would make a decision when it heads into resistance whether to short and add more to the position if it was showing signs of resistance. On the other hand, if it was continuing to show signs of strength, then I would get out there for a loss. So, but it did go up and it just dumped once the market opened. And from the 56 area, from getting in the 56 area just before the market opened, it went all the way down to 51. I covered at 51, but then it continued going down anyway to 46. But I covered at 51, which meant I just took about half of what was on the table. So RIOT gave me about 8% and MARA gave me about 7%. And all of that was within 25 minutes. I was in and out within 25 minutes. And I think I made about just over $320 in 25 minutes, which is not bad considering it's 25 minutes. And it's also a cash injection into the account, which is realized gain. It's a realized gain that goes into the account as actual cash equity. So that's it for the day trade. In terms of the long-term portfolio, Hyliion released earnings after hours today, and absolutely nothing happened. There was nothing that happened. There was no price movement. There was no volume. There was nothing. But then I read the report, and there was nothing in the report that we didn't already know. There was nothing there that he hadn't already. There was nothing in that report that the CEO hadn't already said in the interviews that he's had over the last 3 months. So I'm not surprised, really. Hyliion is turning out to be a long-term play, but then that's exactly what we signed up for. We signed up for a company to just go and execute, and that's what they're doing. But they're going to need time. They're going to need time, and everything that they plan to do, they're doing. The time frames are just as they said it was going to be. Remember, they only forecasted revenue of $8 million in all of 2021, January to December, $8 million. So it's just something that we have to wait for the company to execute, and in the long run, all investors will be rewarded. Looking at Jivo as well, all growth companies were under pressure. They've been under pressure for a few days now. Jivo has been under pressure as well. Jivo is down 5%, but this is the reason why it's important to get in at the right price. Getting into Jivo at $1, I'm not really bothered, because even with this pressure on growth companies, I'm still up $16,000 on an $1,800 investment. That's still insane. But I'm going to keep Jivo because we know Jivo still also has to deliver. They need to build their plans. They need to start, getting more contracts, and the price is going to keep going up. But in the meantime, we're going to see volatility, and I'm okay with that because I got in at the right price. Still up nearly 1,000% or thereabout. I'm happy with that. Alright guys, don't forget to leave me any comments or any questions in the comment section below so I can come back and answer those questions. And if you are not subscribed to the channel but you want to continue seeing videos like this of the long-term portfolio and also day trading videos, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications because I'm good at both. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you at the next video. Peace.